You know that guy who has a big head? Yeah. Well, I'm going to steal a gun from my mom. And what? I will shoot him in his head. Why? Because it's fun. That's it. I'm telling your mom what you have been doing. Fine, go then I will have to shoot you too. No. Wow.